State asida thokliba irang asina maram oiraga tongan-tonganba relief campsingda lanjenariba miyamge mihut khanbagi hak chapchana pinanaba electoral roll da enroll tawduna isa-isagi phampham thokpa voting rights sing chapchana phanghananaba thabak thauram sing paikhatle haina Manipurgi Chief Electoral Officer CEO 𝐸𝐷𝐸 𝐾𝐥𝐢𝐞𝐟 𝐂𝐚𝐦𝐻 Wafam ngasi Lampil Party Labor Chief Electoral Office ke Office Complex ke Conference Hall da mathang chahida pangthokadawriba Lok Sabha mikhalga mari leinana Manipurgi Assembly Constituency Humpugi Draft Photo Electoral Roll Sing Election Commission of India ECI ge settle matung inna fongbagi thauramda haikibani CEO 𝐸𝐷𝐸 hai Lakadawriba Lok Sabha mikhalda saruk yanabagidamak state asigi eligible oiba citizen khudimmakna electoral roll da mingchanbiyu naha singna electoral roll da mingchanabagidamak mahailoisang sing university college yauna mafam kayada intensive activity sing revision round paikhatpa hore Electoral Literacy Club Singsu School Amadi College Singda Hangdoktuna Special Camp Kaya Pangtoktuna Awareness Ki Thabak Thauram Sing Paikhatlagani Ngasi publish tawriba photo electoral roll asi general public amadi political parties singgi mihut singna electoral registration officer ERO assistant electoral registration officer amadi booth level officer BLO singgi office singda chatuna yengsinba amadi verify tawba yagani Natragana Chief Electoral Officer Manipurgi website ceomanipur.nic.in da changdana verify tawba yagani haiki
Of integrated draft electoral roll on 27th of October 2023. Period for filing claims and objections 27th of October 2023 to 9th of December 2023. There are special campaign dates 2 Saturdays and 2 Sundays which are on 4th of November 2023 which is a Saturday and 5th of November 2023 which is a Sunday and again on 2nd of December 2023 Saturday and 3rd of December 2023 which is a Sunday. The disposal of claims and objections are to be done by 26th of December 2023 and the final publication of electoral roll is to be done by 5th of January 2024. During this period, one can enroll, delete from, make corrections and apply for shifting of his or her name in the electoral roll. The application forms may be submitted to the electoral registration officers through the physical forms.